afternoon. It's another hump day, Wednesday, the last Wednesday of May.
Wow.
And that all
Right through
rhymes
that,
for
huh?
no particular reason. But I don't even know the date. The 26th, I think it's May the 26th today. We're getting ready for Memorial Day weekend coming up this weekend. I don't know if you have big plans. You can have barbecues. You can have gatherings of people. We have herd immunity. All that kind of good stuff. So it's nice to see people.
It is nice to see.
And today we're just keeping you company once again on a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. It's lovely out here on Long Island, although it keeps changing. We're probably going to get rain by the end of the show. Yet 2 days ago was Bob Dylan's 80th birthday. So everybody's doing big Bob Dylan shows for his 80th birthday, and I figured I should too. But we did not do it on the day because we had more important matters to take care of, and that was wishing our good friend Joanne Kassoff blessings and healing wishes before her surgery that happened yesterday, and news from her husband. Everything went well, and she's doing. I don't know for sure yet, but he believes that she was actually going to be coming home today, which was a very quick turnover. If not today, then tomorrow. But I believe they may be coming home today and in time for the show. So we're going to do a lot of Bob Dylan songs. It's all Bob Dylan, songs that he wrote or made famous. And this one I'm going to sing for Joanne because this was the one that she asked for her show. And since we're doing since I did it 2 days ago, I may as well do it for sound check. And separate it so she can listen to it anytime she likes. Hey, Rain. I'm Ed Ryan, my wife, Rain. And since the surgery went well and she's got to rest for a few days, you're going to lay, lady, lay.
That's right,
Just
Joanne.
lay around in your big, whatever type of bed you have, and recover and rest.
Across my big brain's bed.
Sounds just like him.
Wake up.
Lay across my big brain's bed.
I always want to see bowls. Just
Whatever colors you have in your mind, I show them to you when you see them shine. So lay across my big brain's bed. Now stay, baby, stay with your man in your life. Until the break of day, let me see you make him smile. His clothes are dirty, but his hands are clean. And you're the best thing that he's ever seen. So stay, lady, stay. Stay with your man and your wife. Why wait any longer for the world to begin? You can have your cake and eat it too. Why wait any longer for the one you love when he's standing in front of you? So lay across my big brass bed.
down pillows and covers.
Stay, lady, stay while the night is still here. I long to see you in the morning light.
harmonica, but every now and again I'll bust out the old trusty kazoo.
It sounded like a giant hornet's nest coming.
Oh yeah, coming to get you. It's coming to get you. Bob Dylan lyrics are coming to sting you. Anyway, rest up, Joanne,
yes,
Lady
Joanne.
and
Much
chill out and
healing
watch
and
the rest of the
love to
show.
you, Chris.
We are going to be coming
Yes.
back in about 25-30 minutes.
Woohoo!
And we've got Bob Dylan classics all
Birthday
afternoon.
celebration.
So just come on back.
Peace and love and Bob Dylan, his 80th birthday. Yeah, we'll work on that.
Nobody knows.
Like I said, we'll work on that. See you in a few.